We are on module 5 of chapter 15, Our Environment. There is a diagram of pyramid of energy and pyramid of population. My dear student, you can see when you move from producers to tertiary consumer, the amount of energy goes on decreasing on each trophic level. But in terms of population, when you move from tertiary consumer to producers, the number of organism is going to be increased. At the place of tertiary consumer, the number of organisms are small, but when you reach at the producers, the number of organisms are more. So when you move from producers to tertiary consumer, in terms of energy it will goes on decreasing, and when you move from tertiary consumers to large to producers, in terms of population it will go on increasing. Biological magnification, or it is also called biomagnification. As you know, my dear students, insecticides and pesticides are used to kill insect and pest that damaged our crops. So the chemicals used to kill pests or insects are non-biodegradable. They are not easily decomposed by microorganisms. So harmful chemicals like insecticides and pesticides, which are used to protect crops from insects and pests, are absorbed by plants and enter the food chain. Since these chemicals are non-biodegradable, they are accumulated at every trophic level and their concentration increases. Since human beings occupy the highest trophic level, the concentration of these harmful chemicals is maximum in their bodies. The increase in concentration of harmful chemicals in the bodies of organisms at higher trophic level is called biological magnification. For example, when you used pesticides and insecticide to protect your crop field from insects and pests, you used chemical substances to kill them. As you know, these chemical substances are non-biodegradable in nature, so they can waste away into the water bodies or they can enter into the soil. In the first case, when these non-biodegradable substances enter into the soil, they may get reabsorbed by the xylem tissue that are mainly used to carry water and minerals from roots to other part of the plant. So these chemical substances via xylem tissue, via water and minerals enters into the plant, and when we eat plants product, these harmful chemical substances get enter into our bodies, or when herbivores depends for their nutrition on plant, these chemicals may get enter into their bodies. In the second case, when these harmful chemical substances washed into the water bodies, there are aquatic plants and animals. These aquatic animals are basically a very good source of protein because organisms feeds on their meat. So these chemical substances may get enter their bodies, and when we feed on them, these chemical substance will get enter in our body. So basically, the increase in concentration of chemicals as they are passing from one trophic level to the next trophic level in the bodies of organism at higher trophic level is called biological magnification. Thank you.